welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm at the historic Fort Vancouver here in Washington, and my job today is to create an art piece inspired by the Fort Vancouver. So I'm going to be here today taking pictures, trying to find the right picture to use as a base to make my painting today. As always, there is a challenge twist. So my challenge twist for today looks like it is the mixer, which means I'm going to be mixing one additional theme to my project today. And the theme that I have is an alien invasion. So this is going to be a sci-fi piece at the end of all this.
Really enjoyed this challenge today, being able to go back to the Fort Vancouver, take some photographs and finding the best one to represent some of the details and trying to mimic those the best I could in my painting today. Next week, for the very first time on the workshop series, I will not be doing any challenges and I will not be introducing any twists. I'm going to be freestyling this artwork. So till next week, have a good week everyone.